Hey everyone, Ben here from Heartland North Recreation, and I want to take you on a quick tour of the Heartland North Trail 250 CK. So up front, we've got power tongue jack, 20-pound LP tanks, set up for 1 or 2 batteries, whatever you need. The North Trail is a fully laminated trailer all the way around. So the whole box on this is a full laminated system with an aluminum frame structure on it, with Asdel interior and exterior panels. So there's nothing in here that can rot, nothing in here that can delaminate, nothing that can mold. Very, very well built, lightweight trailer. Some of the cool features that North Trail does, they do the rock solid power stabilizing systems, which just kind of allow you to crank your jacks down a little bit faster. So you just have a pin on them, pull the pin, and those drop, and then just use either your cordless or your wrench that comes with the trailer to snug up your jacks. When you're done, you can just simply pick them back up, latch them away. All Heartland travel trailers come with a 3-year limited structural warranty. They have a limited lifetime warranty on the roof system. Out here under the awning, we've got a large electric awning, LED lit. We've got all the components. You've got your furnace, which is your exhaust and air intake, cable hookup for if you did want to put a TV under the awning, 110 power, your city water connection, and your exhaust for your hot water heater. Heartland is also doing all on-demand water heaters now, so it's constant water supply. You're never going to run out of that hot water. On the back side of the 250 CK, it's got a little mini outdoor kitchen, if you will, with the propane griddle, 110 refrigerator, and the outside shower hookup. All Heartland trailers have a full walkable roof. So the North Trail comes standard with a roof ladder already on it. To get up there, access whatever you need. North Trail also has the solar panel system that's already installed on the trailer. So all Heartland North Trails come with a solar pack up top, which is going to power up and recharge your battery, so you have that 12-volt power all the time. Beautiful trailer, clean, like I said, lightweight, laminated system, very strong roof, lifetime warranty, and fully walkable anywhere you go. So that's the basis of the outside. Let's jump inside real quick. So the 250 CK is what we call a couples coach. Front queen bedroom, super slide with the dinette, which also folds down into bed, or the hideaway sofa, which is a tri-fold sleeper sofa that pulls out into a full-size sleeping bed. On the entertainment side, North Trails come standard with the TV already in them, fireplace, which both gives off light and heat. So in those cooler mornings, those cooler evenings, you can run the campground's electricity, keep the camper nice and toasty. One thing that's really cool about Heartland is the way that they insulate their North Trails. You can keep this trailer from 0 degrees to 100 degrees at 70 inside with a thermostat set at 70. It's got a fully enclosed heated underbelly, and they're just wrapped really, really tight with insulation. You've got a fairly good size for a smaller couples coach, kind of a mid-sized couples coach. You've got a nice sized kitchen with an L-shaped countertop, deep double sink, cutter on top, pull-out faucets, 3-burner cooktop range with the oven as well. Of course, microwave hood combo. The refrigerators are now gone to 12-volt systems. So it's a 12-volt refrigerator. It's not the gas fridge anymore that we're used to, which allows the manufacturer to have a much deeper refrigerator because that propane system doesn't take up quite as much of the cubic inches in that you need for the fridge. And then this particular model comes with the pull-out freezer tray, which is nice. A lot of space, a lot more room in these new design fridges than they used to. And with the solar panel set up on the roof, this fridge is going to run off the battery all the time, but that solar panel is going to keep that charged up if you are dry camping or you're not hooked up to a 110 power source. In the back of the trailer, we've got a large rear bath, huge countertop, lots of cabinet storage space, nice large shower. Like I said, plenty of room. In a lot of smaller trailers, you don't get a big bathroom, so this is a really nice setup. Right when you walked into the door, there was also a large pantry, closet, whatever you need it for. You know, it's always hard when you're camping to have enough storage space. So Heartland does a great job of just maximizing everything they can. Up front, we've got the queen bed with the large sliding pocket door, cabinets of wardrobe above, storage below, shocks on the bed top, so you can easily get in and out of that storage if you need to without having to worry about banging your head. AC's all ducted through the roof. Heat's coming through the floor, of course. 13.5 Coleman Mach air conditioner, quiet AC. So it's still gonna cool the trailer the way you need it to, but it's not gonna be too overpowering with the sound. That's the North Trail 250 CK. Quick walk around. If you've got more questions, we'd love to hear from you. Come on down to the dealership and take a look for yourself.